Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Cassie and I like to do cleaning videos, organization videos, and vlogs, all sorts of stuff. So today I'm going to be tackling the under kitchen sink cabinet. Let me tell you, this has not been cleaned since we moved out and then moved back in, I think it was September. That was about 7 months ago, so I have not touched it under here because honestly it needs a lot of work. Okay, this is gonna be embarrassing, but here it is. Okay, this house was built in like 1973, I think, so it is the same cabinets from that year, and it's really in need of a new fresh coat of paint. Yeah, I just have a random bunch of crap in here that I need to organize, and I'm also going to paint everything white so it's fresh and bright and get this looking 100 times better. So this is yet another embarrassing place in my house that is in dire need of a deep clean. Would you look at how yucky this stuff is? Like, that's so gross. So I'm going to give it a really good scrubbing and let it dry, and then I'm going to paint it all white. And all of this stuff is what was under there. Like, yeah, there. I'd forgotten a bit about some of this stuff because it was all the way in the back. Okay, so you guys can see that even after a good scrubbing, a lot of this stuff did not come off. So this definitely needs a coat of paint to make it look less hideous. So now I'm gonna let that dry and then paint it white, and then let that dry, and the organization process will be next, the best part. I have this second coat of paint on it down here, and it is not the best paint job I've ever done. I figure we won't be looking down here too often, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I tell you what, that looks so much better. Okay, since I don't have any liner for the cabinet, I found these in my basement, and I was thinking that I would use them. This one has a little mark on it that I can't get off, but I'll peel off the backing. This is tile, and I'll place them all along the front here. So we'll see how that turns out, and it will at least give a little protection to the paint that I just put down.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune to out, you to out. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level.
Okay, it's definitely not perfect, but it does better than just having it bare with the paint where it can get all messed up. And this tile is really durable, obviously, so I'm just gonna have this here for now, and maybe one of these days I'll end up putting some liner down. But yeah, this'll do for now. Okay, the next step in this process is to organize, which is my favorite step, getting things all nice and neat and tidy, so let's do it.
I saw the sea.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so happy about this end result. It looks so much better than what it did. Like, stuff like this brings me joy in life. When everything is neat and clean and put together and organized, like, I love it. So let me just go through here real quickly where I put everything. So I did what we use most in the front, as always, so garbage bags, and this storage bin here has all my cleaning cloths on the top and all our dishwashing tabs and all our steel wool cleaners in the back. And this bottom one has all of our brushes and sponges. Okay. Then in the very back I have baking soda, duster kit, refill thingies, and pet carpet stain cleaner, carpet cleaner powder, and like in the very back there I have some Goo Gone and some Febreze. I have this Simple Green cleaner, extra dish soap, my glass cleaner I use often, along with these wipes here lately. I've been a mess with the coronavirus. And in here I have my little cleaning caddy where I have my dusting stuff, my floor cleaner. I use this paper for when I clean glass. And this is my wood cleaner, along with my duster and some magic erasers, which I need to get more of those. And then over here I just have my black trash bags. So yeah, here it is, you guys. It feels so good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if it gave you some motivation to clean under your kitchen sink. Make sure you subscribe here if you're new, and we'll see you in my next cleaning video. Bye.